The where used list can be a helpful report to run if you want to know where an item is used. This list is a comprehensive list that will show every parent item that an end item is used on, regardless of the demand. Where used lists are often used when quoting costs as well as when an engineer makes a change to a bill of materials. As you can see in the photo showing material where used in SAP, the list will show the required quantity that is needed. This can be very useful when looking to make adjustments on allocations or analyzing a change in the system.